Why do you keep following me around?
Look, George, I'm telling you, George, if you do not ask Lorraine to that dance, I'm going to regret it for the rest of my life.
But I can't go to the dance. I'll miss my favorite television program, science fiction theater.
Yeah, but George, Lorraine wants to go with you. Give her a break.
Look, I'm just not ready to ask Lorraine out to the dance. And not you, nor anybody else on this planet is going to make me change my mind.
Science fiction theater.
Who are you?
Silence, Earthling! My name is Darth Vader. I am an extraterrestrial from the planet Vulcan.